Hi guys, I am Arun from Cybermarshal. In this video, I am going to review about a Golomaso cabinet that is K380. This is a budget cabinet worth 2.5k Indian rupees. I have been using it for the last 4 months. The cabinet came in this black and white matte finish case. As you can see, one side is transparent, but it is not tempered glass, it is just good quality plastic. Even though it is a budget case, the build quality is much better than other cabinets at the same price range. This is how its interior look like. It has space for both CD drives and floppy, but in 2020 floppy is pointless. Then we have 120mm pre-installed fan in the case, which is not RGB, only red color. This is the place where we mount 2.5 drives. Then the case supports up to 80x motherboards. The front side of the case is made up of good quality plastic, and the front I/O consists of one USB 3.0 and one USB 2.0 Type A and usual audio and mic jack. There is a lot of room for cable management at the back side of the case. Then let's talk about the place where we can place the case fans. One is pre-installed, as I said earlier. Then one at the top with dust filters. The case have many dust filters, but they are not magnetic dust filters. In the back side of the case, it supports 120, 180mm fans, and at the bottom 120mm fan is supported. And for the SMPS also there is a dust filter. Let's look into some case cables. This is USB 3.0. We have two Molex cables, one for the pre-installed fan and another for the front LEDs. This is a USB type A 2.0 cable, which is a special type because this is the usual cable come with every case. This package consists of all the accessories that are needed for mounting different components in the case. With this case, the motherboard standoff mounting tool is also available, which is not available with some other cases, and which make us easy to mount the standoffs. And a special bracket is there for mounting 2.5 drive. And in this bracket we can mount maximum of 2 drives and then place in the usual 3.5-inch drive gauge. This is a tool which enables the toolless mounting feature. This is available for both CD drives and 3.5-inch drives. Then let's talk about some negatives that I felt in this case. If you are using a small screwdriver for mounting the motherboard, then it will be very difficult to mount at the top left corner. Then using a longer screwdriver is much better in that area. Then next is we cannot mount the pre-installed fan anywhere else in the case because the screw mounting thread is on the case, not on the fan. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.